450 Entertainment. This is Mad Mike Lopez. Lopez, kick it.
December 6th, 2013, Covina, California, Jingo Slam 4. It's going to be a Toys for Tot drive. Bring an unwrapped toy and you get it for free. If not, $11 gets you in, for adults of course. Children, $6. Please, bring an unwrapped toy. Mike, I know you're excited about the lineup. I know you're so excited about the lineup. Tell them about the lineup, Mad Mike.
Guys, we're going straight into it. Tag Team Gauntlet match. EWF Tag Team Champions, the Von Dooms versus the A-List. Anchors Away. Fallen Empire. And there's so many teams that I can't even tell you right now. Main event, guys, here we go. EWF versus Connected. 8-man elimination tag team match. Kind of like
Survivor Series.
but way better. You know why? Because it's EWF action. Sorry, that was my ADD. And it's all about the kids, so it's okay. Let's roll that down really quick. Team EWF, Mike Mays, Andy Brown, Patient Zero, and I think their anchor, Killer Gorilla, versus Connected, which is Bro Barretto, Raunchy Rico, Tayshawn Prince, and what?
You know.
Oh, no. The Mega King, Tommy Wilson. Still hurts. Guys, we want you to come out. We do this for the kids. It's all about the kids, guys. Come out. December 6th.
December 6th, 10 days away.
10 days away, Jingle Slam 4. From our family, 450 Entertainment, our extended family, Be Right Back Productions. This is Mad Mike. This is Lopez. I gotta go shopping. Take it.
We wish you a very Merry Christmas. Boom! Ho